Kia ora koutou katoa. So we're up to our third video. We've already introduced 3 sentences. So on Monday we learnt tēnā koutou katoa, ko, and then your name, tōku ingoa. Yesterday we learnt no Aotearoa au, and today we are adding an extra phrase which I have my son Joseph here to help us. So Joge is going to recap by giving the other sentences and adding the new phrase.
Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Joseph tōku ingoa, no Aotearoa ahau, e noho ana au ki Pukeroa Bay. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.
So our next phrase is e noho ana au ki, and the place where you live. So Joseph said, e noho ana au ki Pukeroa Bay. I live in Pukeroa Bay. Now you give it a go. E noho ana au ki, in the place where you live.
Kia kaha e hoa mā, and give it a go.
Okay, let's have a go at reading that together. And don't forget to place your name where it says name and the place where you live where it says place. Let's go. Tēnā koutou katoa, ko tōku ingoa, no Aotearoa ahau, e noho ana au ki. Don't forget to register at www.kupu.maori.nz and join us again tomorrow for your next phrase and your basic introduction of yourself for Māori Language Week. Hei ko nei rā. See you here tomorrow.